Welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you a buy-sell strategy using two indicators. For this strategy, we will be using the EMA, exponential moving average, and the STD filtered indicators. First, we will select two EMAs, exponential moving averages. I will set one EMA to 15 and the other one to 50. You can adjust the thickness and color of the EMAs according to your preference. However, I would advise against using red and green colors as they might get confused with the other indicator. We are now selecting the other indicator, and we will close all other options except for the first one. We won't make any changes to its settings. In this setup, it is important to pay attention to the STD filtered indicator. When the STD filtered indicator is in a green trend and the blue-colored EMA, 15, intersects the white-colored EMA from below, it can be a signal to enter a long trade. For short trades, we can look for opportunities when the STD filtered indicator forms a red trend and the blue EMA line intersects the white EMA from above. If these trade setups occur in close proximity to each other, it can signal a potential short trade opportunity. I will conduct the test on the Forex market. I haven't had the opportunity to test it on crypto yet. If you're ready, let's start the test. As I mentioned, when a red trend forms and the blue line crosses the white line from top to bottom, we can open a short position. It is more reliable to enter a trade when the intersection occurs at the beginning of the trend. You can support this combination with RSI or MACD. However, I can say that these two indicators are quite effective for a 5-minute time frame. I don't find it logical to enter such a trade if the intersection comes too late. Instead of entering too many trades, it is better to focus on entering the right trades. Before entering any trades, I recommend conducting tests to evaluate how it works and its effectiveness. As you can see, it captures significant opportunities. While it is true that profitability matters, the most important aspect is still your risk management. You need to calculate and assess where you will exit the trade. I don't want to prolong this video. This is all I have to explain for now. More videos like this will be coming to the channel. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Happy trading!